Hey y'all, welcome to Chaz Cuisines. Today we're making creamy fried lobster and shrimp pasta. So let's start with 2 bowls. We're going to add our Louisiana fish fry mix. Of course, I love to use that as the batter. And then we're going to just season that mix up some, and we're also going to work on our egg batter. So in the smaller bowl, go ahead and add 2 eggs, hot sauce, and heavy cream or milk. Season your batter with garlic powder, paprika, Old Bay seasoning, onion powder, chili powder, and whisk that all in together. And be sure to whisk in your egg batter mix very well. Now we're going to sit that to the side, and we're going to work on our cream sauce. Make sure you're boiling your fettuccine pasta at the same time. So in a pan, we're going to add in some olive oil, preheated, and then we're going to add in our garlic, and we're going to mix that and saute it for about 1 minute. After that, we're going to add in our heavy cream. We're going to season this heavy cream with garlic powder, Old Bay powder, paprika, onion powder, a dash of sazon seasoning that is optional, a little bit of pepper, and salt to your liking. And now we're going to add in some butter. And give that a quick whisk. Let that warm up. Once your sauce is pretty warm, go ahead and sprinkle in some mozzarella cheese. Now, while your pasta sauce is warming, go ahead and start battering your lobster and your shrimp. Have your oil preheated at 350. We're going to double dip these. So you take the batter, you put it all around the lobster, you shake it and you dip it in the egg batter. After that, dip it back in the batter and start frying. So once your pasta is done, go ahead and drain that and put that into your pasta sauce. You want to toss this around very lightly. You can add more heavy cream if you need to lighten up your sauce. Now fry your lobster and your shrimp until they're fully cooked. About 4 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes should be fine. Now we're going to chop them up into big pieces. Add that into your pasta. As you can see, I added a little bit more heavy cream. And we're just going to mix this all together until it's fully incorporated. I left some on the outside, of course, just for presentation purposes. You can garnish this with parsley. If you decide to recreate this dish, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines.